Lincoln Mitchell. Let's get into this anticipation real quick here. Look what I wrote. YM good target to revisit 26 and 26 406 need to close under 422. Let's stop right there. All right, let me show y'all something right here that's very important. This is how people get burned in the market. Is you are anticipating something to happen and it hasn't happened yet. Don't do that. Never trade live candles unless you know what you're doing. Trading live candles are very, very dangerous because they have not given you the full picture yet. And I think that's where a lot of people make their mistake at. They're trying to trade these live candles and they're anticipating this and that should happen. And I think that's one of the reasons why it's hard to trade Nadex, because you're betting on something to happen at a particular time and there's really no guarantee that's going to happen at that time. Let's look at this trade I was talking about. When I posted this trade, it was 18 minutes ago, so it's roughly around these two candles. This candle. So let's look what happened. It goes under here. It goes back up. It goes under here. Goes back up. Let me see if I have a 5 minute on here. Most likely I don't. I don't have a 5 minute. So it goes under here again. Got close to the target when I said it because I told everybody on this candle. Came back up. Went under, came back up. People, don't trade these live candles until you know exactly what you're doing. There's nothing wrong with trading them if you know what you're doing. Don't get me wrong. I trade them all the time. But I don't recommend other people to trade them because there's so many aspects that you must learn to get to that type of level. Don't trade because those candles can do this. They can do that. Well, that drawback, when I first started, would kill you. This type of drawback, if you was going up with this drawback from here to there, that's a killer. That's a 40 tick drawback. And if you were going down and it went back here to there, that's about 20. So that one is bad as that one. You know, if you were going, where it kind of open here. So if you were going up, that's actually more than that. That's almost 60 something, almost 60 ticks, about 52. 52 tick drawback, people. That'll hurt. That'll hurt. Now, if you were going up with it, down with it, and it went back, that's only about 20, 27. So that one won't hurt as bad, but you have to stop trading these live candles, people, until you know what you're doing. You need this to get up underneath this line before you do. Now, if you notice, this really ain't a support nor resistance. It's close to a support, but it really is not because the numbers are actually off right around this area. You got 22 twice, but it's kind of off. So, but as you start to learn how to do this, you will know certain numbers that will give you that green light. And it takes time, so don't think it's going to be, this process is going to be learned overnight. It's going to take a lot of time. So, that's it, people. Try your best. Oh, hold on. The target is here. That's your target. So try your best to stay away from that anticipation in trading those live candles. Leave that for the people who really, truly, truly know what they're doing, people. Do not try to trade those live candles like that. I'm telling you, you could get burned because that thing will go way back. We took some good money on this candle, believe it or not, to go down. And it went way back up here, and we entered at 35. I think it was 35, 36. And as you can tell, it dropped down, and I got knocked out at 34 something. Not 34, 30. So it went up, and it dropped down. I scaled it, and it came back. As you can tell, it knocked me out, and that's how I knew it was going to go back there. But they're like trying to get down there now. Damn. Anyway, be careful trading those live candles and doing anticipation, people. Lincoln Mitchell.